Hi everyone, I'm Diogo Tamura and I will talk about Splunk. So, what is Splunk? Splunk is an engine for machine data just like log files, custom applications, web servers, or any kind of machine data just like the ones listed here. Okay, and you might be thinking, I will need a database to store all this kind of data and I will need a lot of connectors to collect this kind of data. And that, by the way, will bring me a lot of limitation. This might be an issue if you are talking about other kind of solutions. When you talk about Splunk, you must forget about these old premises. Because you won't need any kind of connectors, any kind of database, and you won't have to deal with their limitations. You just have to put all this data into Splunk and let it do the job. Because of that, Splunk is a unique solution. Splunk has a real-time architecture. Splunk is a universal machine data. You don't need to work with predefined schema with your data, and you can deliver real-time dashboards for your whole company. Only Splunk scale from your laptop to your data center, giving you a fast return on investment and putting you in contact with a lot of other Splunk lovers just like us. With Splunk and its developer framework, you can perform your troubleshooting, reducing up to 90% the mean time to resolution and up to 70% your team escalations because you can easily find out new data, patterns, and events within your machine data. And having a better understanding about your machine data, you can move on to the next step. Troubleshooting faster and being ahead of your problems, you can be more proactive, increasing your service uptime, and then, having a better operational visibility, you can increase your service quality. And now, the finest part of Splunk. Only Splunk can help you to bring new kind of data to your business colleagues, helping them to get new business insights and making you their Splunk hero. Splunk is being used in many ways, just like application development, application management, IT operations, security and compliance, web intelligence, and business analytics. Why we say machine data is a gold mine? Let me give you an example. Let's see what your machine is talking when your customer is buying something in your website or your e-commerce. By the time your customer add any product to your shopping cart, your machine will register the user section, the action he done, the user browser information, and what product he is dealing with. By that, you can see your whole customer demand, any kind of shopping activity, and troubleshooting your website if your customer is experiencing any kind of problem. And now your customer will check out using its credit card. Your machine will register this username, the products related to this invoice, and the city that user is buying from. By that, you can see your whole customer behavior, you can have your product catalog updated, you can do some fraud analysis, and you can track your orders in real time. And now your application will try to register this transaction into your database. So, let's suppose that an error had occurred. By analyzing your log, you can check the connection error, the nature of this error, and what software driver is creating this error. So you can troubleshoot it much better than before. I hope I could give you an overview about the main concepts of Splunk, and thank you for your time.